breasts today. You bitches stay sick, I ain't got no time to play. Backstage bitch, what these hoes when they say Ray B, Pxmpcess.Ray, Robin, Lil Ray, Lil Savage, okay. Make my Monica's international. Yo, bitches screaming, ooh, Ray.
Hey y'all, I just want to come to you guys really quickly with the video here on this hair that I got and the really revival process that we're going to be going through today. I know it looks a hot ass mess right now, but I promise you it's going to look so good by the time that I'm finished. You'll see the time lapse and an update on this hair that I got in now. So yeah, just stay tuned in. While you're here, be sure you check out my website, www.Pxmpcess.Cosmetics.com, for all your cosmetics needs and lashes. Alright, so I got this wig from AliExpress. I will include the link in the description. I really love this wig, or how I made it turn out. I'll include a picture of how it looked when it first came in, because child, I ordered the 26-inch thinking, you know, it's gonna come, you know, ratio, proportional, looking nice. No fucking ma'am. But that's alright though, because all you had to do was give it a little TLC, shape it up, you know, make it yours, and it's bomb. I almost got to the point where I was going to throw this hair away because I just didn't think I could get the tangles out. But I just got a couple products from the hair store, so shout out to them. And all they just needed to, again, a little love, little TLC, loosen up them little straggle-daggle curls there, and it's going to be fine. When dealing with a mess like this, it's always best to work in sections because you don't want to, you know, do more damage than that's already needing to be done. Alright, and these are the 3 products that I use to work on detangling this hair. So of course I use water. I have the Cantu moisturizing curl activator cream, and I've also used the On Natural curl and wavy curl defining conditioner detangler. And just to get into the video, like without it being sped up, this video alone was like 11 minutes. So from the time I started, it took so long to detangle, but I'm just thankful for the outcome that it did produce. right? And this is the outcome of the one section. That one section. So I had high hopes. Let's see what the rest do. Y'all, so I know y'all seen the video of this hair, me fixing it back up. This is my second week having this wig in my head. I did have to go back and fix my lace. I don't know if you've seen my last video, but the lace was disastrous, but now it looks good. The lace looks really good. It looks really good. And this wig wasn't that much. So I'll put the link in the description for this wig. I just love how nice this lace looks, especially how well it took the bleaching. Because I've had this hair for a year. This is my second install, and you know, seeing what it had to shape back to, it did the damn thing. It did the damn thing. Now, of course, you got to, you know, shape it up, get it right, you know, make it fit for you. Because how it looked when it came packaged versus how it look now, I've got to tell you it's completely different. But yeah, that's all you have to do is give it a little TLC and you fly. I love this wig so much. I love how natural it looks on my head. I just love how this wig looks. So thank you guys so much for watching this video here. Be sure that you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, you know, if you're looking for any more hair tips, hair videos, makeup, details. I'm gonna leave some comments. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next week. Bye.